The host is now in a high-pressure rubber hose source factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a high-pressure rubber hose source factory, just like the one the host is holding. This is one of our factory's regular brands. A regular brand, our high-pressure rubber hose, is located in an advantageous geographical position, enjoying a prime location, right next to the West Feixiang Expressway exit, just 1 kilometer away. We provide fast, nationwide logistics delivery with super reliable delivery timelines. Super reliable. Our factory was established in 2011. Up to now, we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. And currently, we have expanded to our old plant in the first phase and the new plant in the second phase, including the new plant in the third phase that will be put into use in 2026. The total area of all our plants covers over 100,000 square meters. Our factory covers a total area of about 100 mu, covering more than 100 mu. The total area of our workshop buildings has reached over 100,000 square meters, and we have an independent R&D workshop, a production workshop, a quality inspection workshop, and a warehouse workshop. Our warehouse workshop covers an area of over 20,000 square meters, including our own independent shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process.
An integrated one.
All our products are self-produced and self-sold, all by ourselves. We don't have any middlemen. No middleman at all. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our quality is more suitable. For the same quality of high-pressure rubber hoses, our price is more reasonable. And the price of our factory is more realistic. For all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. The host is explaining to everyone now, taking everyone to have an in-depth understanding of our factory, and Handan Snowplow Rubber Pipe Co. Ltd. to understand the scale of our factory and our quality control, and see how our factory achieves in the high-pressure rubber hose industry. As an old factory with 15 years of precipitation, how do we persist until now? I will also show you the quality of our factory. Why our high-pressure rubber hose can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world. Why our products can let major domestic customers make long-term and large-scale repeat purchases. In fact, what we rely on is our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service, all of which are stable. Up to now, our factory has more than 350 employees in total, more than 350 people, and our daily output has reached 80,000 meters.
All large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders.
We can now accept all of them. That is to say, up to now, we have completely solved our previous delivery date problem. Welcome everyone who just joined the live stream. To all of you who are still lingering outside the live stream, if you are also looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live stream. Everyone, the host has just turned on the heating button. For all of you who are lingering outside the live room, for all of you still hesitating outside the live room, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. The host is currently in the live stream of a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Our factory not only accepts regular brands, all these special-shaped rubber hoses, special-shaped connectors. Our factory offers one-stop procurement. One-stop procurement for hydraulics. All these hydraulic hoses, hydraulic connectors, including hydraulic assembly machines. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory, greatly saving the time of purchasing bosses. Nowadays, when many bosses purchase this high-pressure rubber hose, some of them don't know much about the product or our production workshop for high-pressure rubber hoses. Because many bosses nowadays, when making purchases, only focus on the product itself, its appearance, and only compare prices. However, there are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market now, and 90% of them are produced by small workshops. They are all produced by small workshops. These small workshops, the equipment they use for production, lacks precision, and they cannot guarantee the stability of quality, because these small workshops are usually on a small scale. Their delivery times are also unstable, not to mention that after problems occur. Their after-sales service is also problematic. Hen and Sinopulse Rubber Roller Co. Ltd. currently has a factory building of more than 100,000 square meters, and our daily output has reached over 80,000 meters. And all the high-pressure rubber hoses produced by our factory are from our old first phase factory or our new second phase factory, including our third phase project, which is scheduled to be put into use in 2026. All our production equipment, all sourced directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry. From top equipment manufacturers in the industry, each of our high-precision equipment can precisely control the speed, and can precisely control the winding angle of the steel wire, and can accurately control the wall thickness of the high-pressure rubber hose, the laying angle of the steel wire layer, and the bonding force of the steel wire, including the vulcanization temperature, the winding angle, the molding density, and the pressure resistance of each high-pressure rubber hose. Wear resistance, oil resistance, and aging resistance. It can accurately control all of these. Our high-precision equipment can accurately control all of these aspects. It can control the stability of the performance of each high-pressure rubber hose. Besides, our factory has our own professional sales team, and in terms of after-sales service, it is also relatively reliable. Our factory has been deeply cultivating this industry for 15 years. Our factory was established in 2011. Having been in business for over a decade, we have the advantage of being well established. All of the high-pressure rubber hoses, before we leave the factory, every one of our high-pressure rubber hoses will undergo a pressure test to ensure its quality. For each high-pressure rubber hose, the standard for our pressure test twice the working pressure of our high-pressure hose, and it must withstand the pressure for a minute and continuously bear the pressure for a minute. Only in this way can we ensure the qualified performance of this high-pressure hose. The qualified performance, only the test results. After the test results meet our test requirements, can each of our high-pressure hoses flow into the next process, and then be packaged as a finished product, and then be packaged. All products that fail the tests will be scrapped. They will all be scrapped. This is our bottom line. We firmly refuse to allow any substandard products to enter the market. This is also our factory's long-term stability guarantee for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses. The most crucial factor in ensuring the long-term stability of our quality. The most crucial factor. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who have just joined us. If you are still lingering outside this live stream, if you are still hesitating, you must step into the host's live stream. Be sure to join the host's live stream, where the host is currently located is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Hendan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Is it still reversed now? Well, it's still reversed now. Welcome everyone who just joined the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. Meow meow. The picture is still reversed, and the words are still reversed. It's still mirroring now. Welcome everyone who just entered the live stream. Welcome everyone who just joined us. I am currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Hannan City, Hebei Province. A source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. Is it mirrored now? It's in the right direction now. Strike a pose again. Okay. Everyone, all of you who are still lingering outside the live stream, if you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. The host is now going to take everyone to gain an in-depth understanding of our factory. Let's learn about Handan Snowpay Rubber Hose Co., Ltd. I will show you the history of our factory, its experience, and take you to gain an in-depth understanding of its scale, as well as our quality control. This includes the inspection of our finished products. The finished product inspection, our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu. Covering a total area of more than 100 mu. Our total construction area of the workshop is over 100,000 square meters, more than 100,000 square meters. We have our own independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, including storage workshop, and we also have our own dedicated shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. An integrated industrial and trade enterprise. All our products are self-produced and self-sold. We don't have any middlemen. All the high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality. Our factory's price is more reasonable. Our factory was established in 2011. Up to now, we have been deeply cultivating the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. Our factory's products. How is its quality controlled? Let me briefly explain it to everyone, and let everyone have an in-depth understanding. In our factory, the first process is our raw material, the control of raw material. All of our factories, high-pressure rubber hoses, all raw materials are from the industry and are directly supplied by the top raw material manufacturers in the entire industry. And each batch of our raw materials, before entering our factory, our quality inspection team will conduct a batch inspection on the raw materials and random inspections of the batch. We ensure that every batch of raw materials will be inspected. Only after passing the inspection,
will they be released for production and use?
All unqualified raw materials are rejected. Our factory rejects them all because we know that the raw materials of the product are the key to controlling the quality of our high-pressure rubber hose, which is the most critical factor and the first threshold to guaranteeing our quality. It is the first threshold that ensures our high-quality production. Only the raw materials, only if the quality of the raw materials is guaranteed, can our products become more stable, and our products will become more stable. So, all the raw materials in our factory, we are adhering to the use of the most top raw material manufacturers in the whole industry. Raw material manufacturers are all directly supplied by relatively qualified manufacturers. And for these raw materials, before entering our factory, we will inspect every batch of these high-pressure rubber hoses. And we will conduct an inspection. And we will conduct random inspections in batches. All unqualified raw materials will be directly rejected by our factory. Our factory will directly reject them. Moreover, our factory, all of our production equipment are directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. In fact, many business owners who do purchasing now are not very familiar with production equipment. Here I will give you a brief introduction. In fact, actually, all the high-pressure rubber hoses, if they frequently experience problems like bulging, delamination, air leakage, or oil leakage, as well as issues like low pressure resistance and burst, 90% of the time, it's due to the insufficient precision of the equipment. Some high-pressure rubber hoses do not have equipment with sufficient precision and are not fully vulcanized or have uneven steel wire arrangement. Currently, there are many inexpensive high-pressure rubber hoses on the market. And many of these affordable hoses are produced by some small workshops in the industry. These inexpensive high-pressure rubber hoses are manufactured by some small workshops, and all purchasing managers should be aware that our pressure rubber hoses are mainly produced in Jing County, Hengshui, where almost every household is involved in producing rubber hoses. Some enterprises in the south, such as those in Zhejiang, are also production clusters of our high-pressure rubber hoses. However, many business owners who make purchases are unaware that in Handan City, Hebei Province, there is a company that has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. It's an established enterprise with 15 years of expertise, because our boss, who is a local, is from Handan, Hebei. So, 15 years ago, on the land where he was born and raised, he has built a high-voltage substation, the factory, which produces high-pressure rubber hose, currently in our factory. Up to now, our first phase older workshop is still in use. And the new second phase plant that we put into use in 2024 includes the new third phase plant that we recently put into use this year, 2026. We have been continuously expanding and growing stronger. Our factory's high-pressure rubber hose currently has a daily output of 80,000 meters, which is 80,000 meters per day. We have also been continuously upgrading and iterating, including in terms of our quality. We have been continuously upgrading. Up to now, our factory has established our own R&D team. We now have our own independent R&D workshop. We also have our core R&D team. All these special-shaped joints and special-shaped rubber hoses are within our scope of supply. Our factory not only undertakes the production of conventional high-pressure rubber hoses, but also all special-shaped rubber hoses and joints, which we can all undertake. We can undertake all of them. Our factory, why can it achieve this quality? It's because for 10 years, we have been adhering to the high-quality production status quo, relying on our high-precision production equipment and high-precision production equipment. Regardless of whether it's the first process of bone junction or wire junction, or the process of our steel wire reinforcement layer weaving, including our inner and outer rubber coating process, all the production equipment for our processes are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. The top equipment manufacturers in the industry.
I kicked it.
Because we know that, deep down, we who are engaged in the rubber hose industry all know that the products we produce, their quality, and how to achieve long-term stability.
It relies on the precision of our production equipment.
Only when the precision of the production equipment is higher will the quality of the high-pressure rubber hose produced be more stable. Its quality will be more stable. For example, our high-precision inner and outer rubber coating. The coating of the inner and outer rubber, through our brand new high-precision production equipment, can melt our rubber raw materials at high temperature, melt it at high temperature, and extrude it evenly. Only in this way can we ensure the wall thickness of the inner wall of our high-pressure rubber hose will be uniform and the inner wall will be smooth, which can ensure its wall thickness, including its extremely strong sealing performance, so as to fundamentally eliminate the phenomenon of oil and gas leakage. Only the higher the accuracy of our equipment, the better it can ensure that all of our rubber can be melted entirely and extruded evenly. Only in this way, the inner wall of its inner glue, can the sealing performance of the inner wall of this high-pressure rubber hose be better. And the better the sealing performance, the better it can fundamentally eliminate the phenomenon of oil and gas leakage. The phenomenon of oil and gas leakage, and on each of our extruders, we have equipped a high-precision diameter gauge. It can real-timely monitor every high-pressure rubber hose during production. The wall thickness of its outer rubber layer. The wall thickness of the outer rubber layer. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. The host is currently in the live stream of a source factory specializing in high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a live stream of the source factory. Just now, we were introducing the production equipment in our factory. These are high-precision production equipment in our factory. Because all the production equipment for high-pressure rubber hoses, the higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable the quality of the high-pressure rubber hose will be. Only in this way can the quality be more stable. We just introduced the inner and outer rubber coating equipment in our factory. Our high-precision equipment can uniformly melt the rubber so that it can be evenly extruded and then shaped. This completely eliminates oil and gas leakage at the source. Moreover, we not only focus on the inner and outer rubber coating process, which relies on the precision control of the equipment, but also on the self-inspection of our personnel during the on-site production process. On each of our extruders, we have also installed a high-precision computer, equipped with a high-precision diameter measuring instrument. It can ensure that every high-pressure rubber hose, during the extrusion process, can have its outer diameter evenly controlled, as well as the outer diameter of the rubber. If there is an outer diameter deviation, it will directly alarm and give a warning immediately. We can immediately achieve precise control and accurate control and make some accurate reactions. This is also a control for our high-precision equipment, for the high-precision control of the quality of this high-pressure rubber hose. Precisely because the higher the accuracy of our production equipment, the more stable the quality of our high-pressure rubber hose will be. The quality of the high-pressure rubber hose will become more stable. Is the air conditioner on here? I'll cover myself with this. Welcome everyone who just joined the live stream. To all of you still lingering outside the live stream, to all of you still hesitating outside the live stream, if you're also searching for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. The host is currently taking everyone on an in-depth tour of our factory. Let's take a closer look inside our factory. Our factory is located in Hebei Province, specifically in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. It is situated in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City. Our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu, more than 100 mu, and the total construction area of the workshop amounts to over 100,000 square meters. The total construction area of the workshop amounts to over 100,000 square meters. Our factory has its own independent R&D workshop. We have our own R&D workshop, production workshop, and quality inspection workshop. Our factory has a complete set of the whole process, including rubber, raw materials, and finished product inspection laboratory equipment. We have a full set of laboratory equipment, whether it's our anti-aging apparatus, high-temperature vulcanizing apparatus, or diameter measuring apparatus, tensile testing machine, resistance testing equipment, oil resistance test, pulse test, burst test, pressure test, and insulation test. Our factory has a complete set of experimental equipment for the whole process, covering the whole process and the entire system. To all the folks still lingering outside the live stream, to all the folks still lingering outside the live room, if you're also looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live room. The The host is taking everyone on an in-depth tour of our source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. The host is taking everyone on an in-depth tour of our source factory. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. Our factory enjoys a superior geographical location, being close to the main expressway, and the west entrance of Feixiang Expressway, which will be put into use in 2025, is only 1 kilometer away from our factory, just 1 kilometer away, covering a total area of more than 100 mu. Our total construction workshop area has reached over 100,000 square meters. The total construction workshop area has reached over 100,000 square meters. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise with a whole process. An integrated industrial and trading enterprise. All the products. Our factory's price is more realistic. Since it was put into use in 2011, from commissioning to now, our factory's quality has always been adhering to the international standards. In the previous live broadcasts, I also took everyone to the site to take a look at an inspection of our factory. One of our pulse experiments, our international standard is that it has to withstand 20,000 cycles. And during the experiment, our pulse data has reached 500,000 cycles. This deeply shows that the quality of our factory is more than twice as high as the international standard, far exceeding the international standard by more than double. This also proves that our factory's quality, high standard quality control. Moreover, our factory has our own R&D team. We not only produce this conventional high-pressure rubber hoses of this brand, conventional specifications, but also all kinds of special-shaped rubber hoses, special-shaped connectors. Our factory can achieve a one-to-one restoration. We can meet all your needs, all of them, now. The high-pressure rubber hose of regular brand in our factory can now meet all your needs, whether it's 150 degrees above zero or minus 50 degrees. The high-pressure rubber hose in our factory will not harden or peel
or leak steel wire due to peeling.
Nor will the high-pressure rubber hose in our factory, in an environment of minus 50 degrees, become extremely soft. It won't harden or become brittle or peel at 150 degrees. The rubber hose in our factory will still be as flexible as it is now. Without any signs of aging, it won't age. This is the result of the collaborative efforts of our core R&D team. This is our own formula, and the high-pressure rubber hose of our factory can meet all your needs. It can adapt to all your needs. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. Welcome. I am currently at a high-pressure rubber hose source factory in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. A high-pressure rubber hose source factory. Whether you are in the construction machinery industry or agricultural machinery accessories, as long as you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to my live stream. If you have any needs or questions, you can type them on the public screen. Just type them on the public screen. I am currently giving everyone an in-depth tour of our factory. Handan Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Limited. Our factory not only undertakes regular brands, we support all non-standard customizations. You can tell us all your requirements, and our factory can meet them all. Besides, our factory has not only high-pressure rubber hoses, but also all the joint accessories. So you can make one-stop purchase in our factory. It greatly saves the time of our business owners and energy spent on procurement, including our costs, which means we save a lot because our factory is all self-produced and self-sold. We don't have any middlemen. For products with the same brand and quality, our price is more reasonable. Our price is more affordable. Since its establishment, our factory has been adhering to international standards, offering domestic prices and international standards with domestic prices. During the pandemic, previously, our factory has always been doing export business. All our brands and all the products are 100% for export. After that period, we have gradually opened up the domestic market. So, our quality has not declined, and our production standards are still in accordance with international standards. But our quality is already far higher than the standard of an international brand. The international standard. Why can our factory do this? Why can our factory export to more than 60 countries around the world? And why can our products achieve large repeat purchases from major customers across the country? It relies on the scale of our factory. And our work. And it relies on the scale of our factory and our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Our factory supports custom-made products. You can tell us all your fitting needs, and our factory can adapt to all your working conditions. Whether your working condition requires high wear resistance, high corrosion resistance working conditions, or a high temperature environment, or an extremely cold environment of minus 50 degrees. Our factory's high pressure rubber hose can adapt to all of your needs. Our factory has an independent mixing workshop, which is equipped with rather than relying on long-term external procurement of raw rubber. We do not rely on long-term external procurement because some small workshops, they do not have their own mixing workshop. They purchase raw materials in batches externally. They externally purchase this mixed rubber. They rely on other factories to produce this foreign glue for a long time. And the produced mixed rubber, they are not sure about its quality because the quality of your bulk raw materials directly affects the current situation of your finished product. It directly affects the quality of your finished product. Our factory has our own independent formula because we have our own R&D team. All the formulas are exclusively owned by us, such as some high wear resistant rubber, including some highly corrosion resistant and ultra high temperature, ultra low temperature. And these rubbers,
we are all our own.
Compound rubber from our own compounding plant. This also allows us to control our raw materials in real time and have real-time control over them.
And they will go through our experimental equipment and also through the inspection of our experimental equipment. Then make adjustments at any time.
This is also the core key to our ability to precisely control our own quality. The core key. We don't rely on long-term external procurement of compounded rubber. We have our own independent formula. And for some high wear resistant and high corrosion resistant compounded rubber, we can already handle them all. We can undertake them. We also have our own independent formula.
I'm getting sleepy.
Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome to all the folks who have just entered the live stream room. I am currently at a high-pressure rubber hose manufacturer located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Hendon City, Hebei Province. This is the live stream room of a factory that produces high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. It's the factory's live stream room.
Hello.
I'm Zhang Falai.
It's so hot.
The meat is too sweet. It's not just ordinarily sweet. This is not just ordinarily sweet. This is exceptionally sweet. Welcome everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome everyone who has just joined the live stream. I'm getting sleepy. Hello.
Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream.
I am currently at a high-pressure rubber hose manufacturer located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the source manufacturer of high-pressure rubber hoses. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory. Our factory not only produces conventional high-pressure rubber hoses, conventional and commonly specified high-pressure rubber hoses. All of these special-shaped rubber hoses, special-shaped joints. Our factory can undertake all of them because our factory has our own independent R&D workshop. We have our professional R&D team. We have our own professional R&D team. Up to now, our factory's high-pressure rubber hoses can already meet all your scenario requirements. No matter your working condition, requires a temperature of 150 degrees above zero or minus 50 degrees in extremely cold weather. Our high-pressure rubber hose can withstand either extreme cold weather. It will become softer, and it will not harden or cause the outer rubber to peel off, nor will the outer rubber peel off. The high-pressure rubber hoses in our factory can be used at 150 degrees above zero, without aging. Our factory has our own independent R&D workshop. We have our own independent testing equipment. And we have our own independent technical team. Now, our factory has its own mixing workshop. We don't rely on purchasing mixed rubber from other factories for a long time. This can also ensure in real time.
Yes.
It can monitor the quality of our factory in real time. The quality of our factory. We don't rely on long-term outsourcing of mixed rubber from other factories. Or mixed rubber. Our factory has our own R&D team. We have our own R&D workshop. All of our mixed rubber is self-produced in our factory and self-produced. And we have our own laboratory with a full set of experimental equipment. It can be used for our mixed rubber, the raw material for mixing, to conduct a quick inspection. Can precisely control the quality of our high-pressure rubber hoses. Because we have our own mixing workshop. If there are many abnormalities during the production process, we will make adjustments immediately. If it includes high and low temperature environments, when the properties of the mixed rubber change, our own R&D workshop, our own R&D team will make fine adjustments to our independent formula. Make fine adjustments so that we can ensure our quality remains consistent and the quality remains the same. Besides, every batch of our raw materials, before leaving the factory,
We'll go through a voltage resistance test, a pressure resistance test.
our pressure test, has standards. Twice the working pressure of each high-pressure hose, twice the working pressure, and maintain that pressure for 1 minute. You have this. Only our test result, after meeting the standard, will we put it into use. We will then proceed to the final packaging stage, and only then will it enter the market. All substandard products are directly scrapped. This is our bottom line. This is also why our factory has been able to operate from 2011 until now. We can consistently ensure high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses. We can guarantee the long-term, large-scale mass production of high-pressure rubber hoses. This is also the core key to ensuring high quality. the core key. This is also our bottom line. And we firmly reject substandard products. We firmly reject substandard products. To all the family members still lingering outside the live room. To all the family members still lingering outside the live room, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live room. You must come to the host's live room. The host is showing everyone around our factory, including its scale, product quality, and introducing Hendon Snowplow Rubber Hose Co. Ltd. What kind of factory it is, and what its product quality is like. In this video, I will take you on a more in-depth tour of our factory, so that you can have a deeper understanding of it. Our factory was established in 2011, and it was founded in 2011. Up to now, our factory has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. Having been deeply involved in this industry for 15 years, many business owners who do procurement may not be familiar with this product. Its quality. What is the relationship between its quality and production equipment? And many business owners may not understand production equipment at all. Here, I will explain it to you in simple terms. If the high-pressure rubber hose you purchase is in the process of use, frequently experiences problems such as bulging, delamination, and oil leakage and air leakage, as well as insufficient pressure resistance. These quality issues, 90% of the quality problems are caused by insufficient equipment accuracy. The equipment lacks accuracy. Currently, there are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market. Many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses, which come from small workshops. Small workshops. They don't have a large scale, and their production equipment is outdated. Outdated production equipment. They are not highly specialized, and the equipment doesn't have enough precision. As a result, the quality cannot be consistent. Moreover, their glue cannot be guaranteed either. And when problems arise, after-sales service is even more unreliable.
Andan City Sinopulse Co. Ltd.
Our factory, up to now, is the old plant in the first phase, which was put into use in 2011, including the new plant in the second phase. It has been in use since 2024. The new plant in the third phase will be put into use in 2026. And after it is put into use, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters. This is the core key for us to ensure delivery time. All large orders, urgent orders, and customized orders, we can all undertake them. In other words, up to now, all the delivery time issues of our factory have been completely resolved. This is our biggest advantage. Second, all the production equipment in our factory are high-precision production equipment. Only the higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable the quality of the produced high-pressure rubber hose. The quality will be more stable. Besides, our equipment are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. On each of our high-precision equipment, we are equipped with a high-precision computer. It can real-time control some parameters of each high-pressure rubber hose during the production process, including the angle of steel wire braiding and the tension formed, including the crimping of the steel wire layer, or the phenomenon of sparseness and unevenness. It can precisely control all these, including the process of our inner and outer rubber coating. It can accurately melt, and it can accurately control the speed. It can fully melt the rubber and extrude it evenly, making our inner wall smoother and providing better sealing performance. This can fundamentally solve the problem of oil leakage and air leakage. The phenomenon of oil and air leakage. Our steel wire layer coating, through our high-precision equipment, can accurately control the speed of steel wire winding, including the angle of winding, and including the sparse state of each steel wire. The sparse state. This is the most critical factor for the pressure resistance of our high-pressure rubber hose. The most crucial point for pressure resistance. Some small workshops, the accuracy of their production equipment is not enough. They can only rely on manual control, such as the tension and the wire pressing, as well as the angle of winding and the arrangement of the steel wire, whether it is sparse or there is the phenomenon of wire missing. They have to rely on manual control. But manual control is definitely not so perfect, and there will definitely be some more or less problems. So, we must rely on high-precision equipment. to produce high-quality high-pressure rubber hoses. High-quality ones. Moreover, before each batch of our semi-finished products leaves the factory, we will conduct a pressure test on each high-pressure rubber hose. A pressure test. Our test standard is twice the working pressure of this high-pressure rubber hose, and it must withstand the pressure for 1 minute. Only after passing this test and meeting the standards will a high-pressure rubber hose be put into use. It will then proceed to the next process, be put into use, and reach the hands of our customers. All products that fail to meet the test standards will be marked as defective, which is a core key point for us. This is a core key point for us. We firmly reject defective products. This is also a core key point for us regarding the quality of the high-pressure rubber hoses in our factory. A core key point. We have an independent experimental team and a quality inspection team. We will, for the products of each process, conduct long-term and batch inspections and long-term spot checks. All products, before they leave our factory, will undergo pressure tests, as this is our core bottom line. This is also the most crucial factor in ensuring the stability of our product quality. The most crucial one.
Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream.
Welcome to the live stream, everyone. I am currently at a high-pressure rubber hose source factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. What the host is holding now is a regular brand from our factory. A regular brand. Our factory not only undertakes regular brands, all these special-shaped rubber hoses and special-shaped joints, including these joints, are all produced in our own independent factory. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory. This greatly saves the time of our business owners. It saves a lot of time for the business owners. Up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. This has greatly solved the delivery problem. Our factory can steadily undertake all large orders, urgent orders, and customized orders. We are more than capable of handling them. Our factory has our own R&D team. If you are also looking for and struggling to find a special-shaped hose that meets your needs, you must come to the host's live stream. Be sure to join the host in the live stream and stay for a while, because our factory has our own R&D team for all special-shaped hoses and special-shaped joints. We can fully adapt to them. We can fully adapt to all of them. Yes, currently our high-pressure rubber hoses can meet all your needs. They can fully adapt to all your needs. Our factory currently not only has this regular brand, our factory can fully adapt to all your needs, including the one that the host is holding now, is our smooth high-pressure rubber hose. The smooth one. We can adapt to all your needs, including the color of the outer rubber, for the demand of outer rubber color and the demand of working conditions. If your equipment requires to operate at 150 degrees Celsius above zero, or at minus 50 degrees Celsius, or if your working condition requires an ultra-wear resistant outer rubber, our factory has also been able to mass produce it, achieved large-scale mass production. This includes some of your corrosion resistant and higher pressure resistance requirements, and so on. Resistance to high pressure, these working condition requirements. Our factory can fully adapt to all of these. Our factory can fully adapt to all of these. Our factory was established in 2011. Up to now, we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. All our large orders, urgent orders, and customized orders can be accepted by our factory. And our factory has our own R&D team. The R&D team, all large orders, urgent orders, and customized orders. Our factory can undertake all of them. Welcome. Welcome those who want to purchase, all the bosses who are in procurement, or who want to learn about our factory, or come to our factory site to visit us, can all contact the host. There is a small live broadcast windmill in the lower right corner of the host. The small windmill for the live broadcast.
你的额度已用完，即将结束通话。
So it can fit your small space for such working condition.
Okay. It's exposed. Here you are. Welcome everyone who just tuned in to the live stream. Welcome everyone who just joined us. I am currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. Whether you are a business owner in the construction machinery industry or in the agricultural machinery parts industry, if you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must join the host's live stream. And don't miss out, as the host is currently introducing the quality of our factory. And the quality of our products. Our factory was established in 2011. Up to now, we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. With 15 years of dedicated experience, the high-pressure rubber hoses produced by our factory have always upheld international quality standards and are of international quality. Because before 2020, our factory's high-pressure rubber hoses have always been exported and have always been exported. Up to now, our factory's high-pressure rubber hoses have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. More than 60 countries around the world. Why can our high-pressure rubber hose be exported to more than 60 countries and allow major customers at home and abroad to make long-term and large repeat purchases? This relies on our factory's scale, which is our advantage.
We also rely on our factory's stable quality, reliable delivery time, and consistent after-sales service,
as well as stable after-sales service. Up to now, our factory has more than 350 employees. More than 350 employees. And the total area of our factory has reached more than 100 mu. More than 100 mu. Our total construction area has reached more than 100,000 square meters. More than 100,000 square meters. And our factory, the current daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters. All of them, up to now. We have firmly solved the problem of adhesive application. Solved the problem of adhesive application. All large orders and customized orders, our factory can undertake them. Our factory can undertake them. Additionally, our factory has our own R&D team and our own R&D workshop. We have our own R&D team. Our factory has our own mixing workshop. All the high-pressure rubber hoses, the mixing rubber for all the high-pressure rubber hoses, are all produced in our own mixing workshop. This allows us to promptly adjust our own independent formulas. Independently, with changes in temperature or other factors, and our rubber raw materials, our mixed rubber can be promptly adjusted. Therefore, adjustments can be made in a timely manner. In this way,
Our quality can be more stable.
some small workshops rely on long-term and repeated purchases of mixed rubber from other brands and manufacturers. They are unable to independently control the quality of their mixed rubber. They cannot personally control the quality of their mixed rubber. They cannot personally control the quality of their mixed rubber. In our factory, we can make timely adjustments, and all the business owners who are purchasing have certain requirements for this rubber.
For example,
Your working conditions require higher pressure resistance, as well as greater wear resistance, and other properties. Our factory can now fully accommodate these requirements. Our factory now has our own unique formula regarding wear resistance and corrosion resistance. Our foreign counterparts, the performance of our rubber is more durable in terms of wear resistance. It has already more than doubled the previous standard. More than double the previous standard. Up to now, our factory's high-pressure rubber hoses can fully adapt to all your scenario requirements. All scenario requirements. Whether your working conditions require working in an environment of 150 degrees Celsius above zero, or production in a working condition of minus 50 degrees Celsius. Our high-pressure rubber hose will be more durable and have better performance. Better performance. Our high-pressure rubber hose can be used in a working condition of 150 degrees Celsius above zero. Our high-pressure rubber hose will not age or peel. It will not age or peel. What's more, our high-pressure rubber hose can withstand extremely cold temperatures, working at minus 50 degrees Celsius.
And it remains flexible.
Very flexible, without becoming stiff or unable to bend or flex. Moreover, our in-house R&D team has developed an ultra-flexible hose an ultra-flexible one, which can be used in narrower spaces, even very narrow ones. Some bosses may ask, some of our equipment has adaptation requirements. The space is very narrow, requiring S-bends or bends with very small angles. Our rubber hose is more suitable for this need. It is more suitable for this kind of need because our factory has our own R&D team. We have our own R&D team. We have our own R&D workshop. And we have a full set of experimental testing equipment. A full set of experimental testing equipment. All the bosses who do procurement, or the bosses who do construction machinery and agricultural machinery parts, you can type out all your adaptation needs, all the adaptation needs. Our factory supports non-standard customization and can meet your custom requirements. If you are also struggling to find a special high-pressure rubber hose that can meet all your working condition needs, you must come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. Our factory can meet all your working condition needs and can meet all your adaptation needs. For those of you who are still hovering outside the live stream room, for all of you who are still lingering outside the live stream room, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream room. Be sure to come to the host's live stream room. Stay for a while. Stay for a while. The host is taking everyone to delve into our factory and gain an in-depth understanding of our factory. Now, for all of you who are lingering outside the live room and those who are still on the fence, if you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, if you are in need of one, if you want to find a manufacturer with reliable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service, and want to find such a manufacturer to cooperate, be sure to come to the host's live room. Be sure to come to the host's live room. Our factory was established in 2011. Why can we make major customers in so many countries around the world place repeat orders in large quantities over a long period of time? It relies on the scale of our factory, which is our advantage, and our stable quality, on-time delivery, and reliable after-sales service. We also provide reliable after-sales service. Our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu, and our total construction area has reached over 100,000 square meters. Our factory has independent and self-owned R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, and our own storage workshop covering an area of over 20,000 square meters. We also have our own independent shipping area. The shipping area. We are a large industrial and trade integrated enterprise with a whole process integration. A large industrial and trade integrated enterprise. We don't have any middlemen. We are all self-produced and self-sold. Self-produced and self-sold for all high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality. Our price is more reasonable, and our factory's price is more realistic. So, if you are still looking for the source manufacturer of this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, you must pay attention to the host and come to the host's live room. Be sure to come to the host's live room. The host is now taking everyone to have an in-depth understanding of our factory, including its scale, quality. Here I will briefly explain. Our factory not only has conventional brands. Our factory not only has conventional brands, but also supports non-standard customization. Our factory supports non-standard customization. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. The host is now taking everyone to have an in-depth understanding of our factory. To have an in-depth understanding of our factory. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, there is a small live streaming windmill in the lower right corner of the host. You can leave a message with one click. Leave a message with one click, and the host will contact you after the live stream ends. The host will contact you after the live stream ends. Our factory was established in 2011 and has now been deeply engaged in the industry for 15 years. We have been deeply engaged in the industry for 15 years. Not only is our current scale, the first phase, the second phase, and the third phase. After our third phase plant is put into use, our daily output has reached 80,000. The daily output has reached 80,000. Our entire factory employs over 350 people. Over 350 people. We can now steadily handle all your large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders. Up to now, we have completely solved the delivery time problem and have fully resolved the delivery time issue. And our factory has our own R&D team. Our own R&D team. We not only undertake conventional brand high-pressure rubber hoses, but can also adapt to all your needs. Whether you have requirements for the outer rubber, want to make fabric-covered rubber hoses, or smooth rubber hoses, or have requirements for the color of the outer rubber, whether you want red, orange, or blue, or gray, brown. Our factory can meet your matching needs for the color of the outer rubber. We can meet your matching needs. All these special shaped joints and special shaped rubber tubes. Our factory provides one-stop purchasing. All of them are available in one-stop purchasing. So, for those who are still hesitating outside the live stream, if you are also looking for a source factory that can provide rubber hoses meeting your equipment needs, you must contact the host. Our factory is fully self-produced and self-sold. All our factories are self-produced and self-sold. Our factory does not have any middlemen. There are no middlemen at all. From the establishment of our factory to now, we have always been adhering to international standards. International standards, craftsmanship, and we never cut corners. Our factory never cuts corners. For all high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our factory offers more reasonable prices. Our factory's prices are more reasonable. So, for all those who are still struggling to find a reliable source manufacturer of high-pressure rubber hoses that can meet your specific application requirements, as a source manufacturer, be sure to contact the host.
Here, we are a direct manufacturer of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. This is the live stream of our factory, the source manufacturer's live stream, to all the business owners and procurement managers out there. If you are in the market for high-pressure rubber hoses, you definitely need to check out the manufacturer of these high-pressure rubber hoses. Make sure to find out
about the scale of the manufacturer,
the equipment they use for production, and the facilities they have. Only when the factory is large enough can its delivery time be more reliable. The more reliable the delivery time is,
the factory you want to cooperate with,
the higher the precision of its production equipment, the more stable its quality. The more stable the quality will be. So I would advise to all the business owners who are doing purchasing, if you're also looking for high-quality original manufacturers, Sino Group is worth trusting. Sino Group is worth trusting. Trust that by choosing Sino Group, you are opting for a reliable, stable, and worry-free solution. Our factory not only has a daily output of 80,000 meters, and all our production equipment comes directly from top-tier machinery manufacturers in the industry. We use high-precision equipment, each of which is equipped with a high-precision computer that can monitor each process in real time, ensuring high-precision parameters across each procedure. High-precision parameters. Only when the equipment accuracy is high can the quality of products be more stable and consistent. Welcome to all the families who have just entered the live stream. And welcome Xiangji Xiangai into the host live room. The host is now in a high-pressure rubber hose manufacturer in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handin Hebei Province, which is the source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. The source factory of hydraulic oil pipes. If you are also looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, please stay in the host's live room for a while. Make sure to stay for a bit. The host is now taking everyone to have an in-depth look at our factory, including its scale, equipment, production equipment, and see how the quality of our factory is controlled. How is it controlled? If you want to visit our site or have an in-depth understanding of our factory, there is a small live broadcast windmill in the lower right corner of our live room. A small windmill where you can leave your information with one click. You can leave your information with one click. Welcome everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome to all the folks who have just entered the live stream. The host is currently taking everyone on an in-depth tour of our factory. Our factory is a source manufacturer of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. We are a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. If you have such a need, or if you are looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, this live stream of the host is a live broadcast that you must not miss. Please don't miss it. Now let's take a look. What the host is holding now is a regular brand of our factory. It's a regular brand. And let me tell you something here. Our factory can not only undertake all the high-pressure rubber hoses of regular brands, but also all non-standard customizations, which our factory can handle steadily, because our factory has our own R&D workshop and our own professional R&D team. We can meet all your adaptation needs. You can contact us at any time. Contact us. The host can provide you with free guidance, free of charge. All parameters or your equipment needs, including the environment, whether it's 50 degrees Celsius, 150 degrees Celsius, or minus 50 Grad Celsius, our factory's products can fully adapt to your various needs. All kinds of needs. The host is currently located in a high-pressure rubber hose source factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Han City, Hebei Province. A source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. If you are also struggling to find a high-pressure rubber hose that meets the needs of your working conditions, please contact our Sinopulse. It is a great choice for you. It is a good choice for you. We believe that choosing Sinopulse and choosing us Sinopulse means choosing peace of mind, reassurance, and worry-free experience. Our factory benefits from a superior geographical location. Our factory enjoys a favorable geographical position. It is located right next to the main highway. It is adjacent to the main line of the Feixiang West Expressway. Our Feixiang West Expressway exit is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Just 1 kilometer. In 2025, the newly opened Feixiang West Expressway exit is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Our factory has a superior geographical location and is adjacent to the expressway trunk road. The logistics for our nationwide deliveries is super fast, and our delivery time is super reliable, absolutely reliable.
Because our current daily output has already reached 80,000 meters.
Up to now, our factory's first phase, second phase, and third phase have all been put into use. All have been put into use. Our total land area is over 100 mu, and the total construction workshop area has reached over 100,000 square meters. We not only have the regular first phase established workshop, all the special shaped joints and interfaces are used in our new second phase plant, including our third phase workshop of the Industrial Museum covering an area of over 20,000 square meters. We have already put it into use, and we not only undertake conventional brand high-pressure rubber hoses, but also all kinds of special shaped joints and supporting hydraulic equipment we have. We can steadily undertake all of them. We are capable of handling them steadily. As for some of our industrial pipes, including industrial pipes and air ducts, industrial air ducts and machine pipes, bacteria transporting pipes, oil transporting pipes, we are capable of handling all of them. We can handle all of them. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory. A one-stop hydraulic factory. All the products, all the hydraulic equipment, including all your hydraulic scenarios demands. You can contact the host. The host is now leading everyone to gain an in-depth understanding of our factory. To have an in-depth understanding of our factory. Our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu. And up to now, after all the plant buildings in Phase 3 are put into use, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. With a daily output of 80,000 meters. All large orders, customized orders. We can undertake all of them. We can undertake all. If you are also looking for a long-term, reliable, and stable, and timely delivery, stable quality, and stable after-sales manufacturer to cooperate with, or if you want to visit our factory, you can click the small live thunder icon in the lower right corner of the host screen. The host will take everyone to the scene, letting us see the scale of our factory with our own eyes and understand the current situation of our factory. We come to the site to actually measure our experimental data, including the performance of our manufactured products, the current status of our factory's production workshop. The host will take everyone to our factory. to visit our factory for free, a free visit. All the bosses who have matching needs, who have needs for high-pressure rubber hose matching, can also contact the host. Our factory can achieve non-standard customization. Our factory has our own independent R&D team. The R&D team can be adapted to all your scenarios and requirements, all scenario requirements. How long has it been? Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. I am currently at a factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province, which specializes in producing high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. This is the live stream of the original manufacturer. The live stream of the original manufacturer. If you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must follow me. Make sure to follow me. I will continue to show you around and introduce this high-pressure rubber hose, and keep showing you our high-pressure rubber hose. Right now, there are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market. Many business owners who do procurement are aware of that. Up to now, there are still many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market, and 90% of them are produced by some small workshops. Small workshops. As we all know, the production cluster of high-pressure rubber hoses is in Jing County, Hangshui, including those in the south, Zhejiang, Hangzhou, Nanjing, and other places, precisely because they are the cluster areas of high-pressure rubber hoses, especially in Jing County, Hangshui, Jing County. Some small-scale workshops have also emerged there, the small-scale ones. If anyone has been there, they should know that almost every household there operates a production workshop for high-pressure rubber hoses. Production workshop. These small workshops are very small in scale and have a very limited scope. Moreover, the accuracy of their production equipment is not very high. The precision is not high, so the quality of their products cannot be guaranteed. The scale is very small, so it cannot take on particularly large orders, and its delivery times are also unstable. Not to mention its after-sales service. When problems arise, these small workshops are even less able to guarantee after-sales service. Those bosses who have purchased from these small workshops before must have a deep understanding. They really do. Handan Sinopulse Rubber Roller Co. Ltd. has been deeply engaged in this industry for 15 years now. We are not a newly opened small factory, nor are we an intermediary that does OEM. Up to now, we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We are an old factory with 15 years of experience. An old factory. What's more, our first phase old workshop has already updated our production equipment, which is the same as that in our new second phase plant. We all rely on equipment, specifically high-precision equipment directly provided by top-tier equipment manufacturers in the industry, because we deeply understand that. No matter how good an employee's controllability is, it cannot be more stable than a high-precision computer-controlled device. Only this high-precision computer, which can precisely control these production parameters, can ensure the quality of my high-pressure rubber pipe is more stable. The quality is more stable. Therefore, our old workshop in the first phase, all our old equipment, have been completely updated and iterated. All of our current equipment are high-precision computers. Controlled. They are all controlled by high-precision computers. All the equipment on our production line are controlled by high-precision computers. Not a single piece of equipment is an old one from before. There is no old equipment left. Moreover, each of our high-precision computers is equipped with a high-precision device, and each high-precision device is equipped with a high-precision computer. It can precisely control the speed and accurately control the speed of this high-pressure rubber hose during the production process, and the vulcanization temperature of this high-pressure rubber hose, the braiding angle, and the production density, as well as more stable properties, all of which can be precisely controlled with great accuracy. Many bosses who do procurement don't understand the importance of this equipment. Here, let me explain it to you in simple terms. It's the high-pressure rubber hose you purchase that, during use, frequently experiences issues like bulging and air leakage, oil leakage, and inability to withstand pressure, as well as peeling, delamination, pipe bursting, and other quality problems that occur frequently. 90% of the time, it's due to the equipment's lack of precision, insufficient vulcanization, and unstable properties, which lead to these defects occur frequently. The production equipment in our factory are all high-precision computerized ones. These equipment, controlled by high-precision computers, can accurately monitor and accurately control, including our steel wire braiding equipment, are all equipped with high-precision computers. It can real-time control the winding angle of our steel wire layer and tension, including the crimping of each steel wire, the distribution of the steel wire, whether there is uneven absorption, including the phenomenon of wire falling. Because the steel wire enhancement layer is the most critical key to ensuring our pressure resistance. The most essential key. If the high pressure rubber hose you purchase is from a small workshop, produced by a small workshop, their production equipment lacks the precision and accuracy, the steel wire they use in winding. If there is a wire dropping or uneven tension, or if the steel wires have uneven spacing, then during use, it will frequently experience burst pipes. Their pressure-bearing capacity is insufficient. There will always be a few wires that can't bear the pressure enough. So during use, you will encounter frequent issues, either oil or gas leakage, or pipe bursts. Therefore, when you purchase these high-pressure rubber hoses, do not only look at the price. Our factory never engages in low-price competitions or involution. What we compete for is quality, and what we rely on is quality. We rely on quality. So, when you purchase these high-pressure rubber hoses, do not solely focus on the price. Do not just listen to the price. I believe many business owners in procurement know that the price, its price. If its price drops lower, either the quality of its raw materials has decreased, or its production process, inspection, or other aspects have declined. Only by reducing the quality in raw materials can its price be reduced. No one will take on this product that doesn't make money. So, the order you receive, if it usually costs 8 yuan, and now it's being sold for 4 or 5 yuan, don't worry, the quality is definitely compromised. The quality of its raw materials has definitely declined, or its quality has decreased. It's impossible to have the same quality, and they won't lose money on this order. So, for the bosses in procurement, you must consider carefully that each high-pressure rubber hose must be manufactured by a reputable company with a certain scale, considering the overall production scale, and you must visit their factory and inspect their equipment, the production equipment, only when the equipment has higher precision. Can the product quality be more stable? Only when the company is larger in scale. Can the delivery period be more stable? Only the sales personnel you deal with provide better service. Can the after-sales be more stable? Therefore, all our production equipment is directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry, and our equipment is high precision, which can accurately control all the parameters of our requirements. Moreover, our factory has our own R&D team. We have our own technical team. The technical team will address all your adaptation requirements. We support non-standard customization, and our factory supports non-standard customization. Third is our inspection. We not only implement inspections based on self-inspection by our employees during the production process. We don't just rely on that. We also have a professional quality inspection team to conduct patrol inspections on the production line, including before each batch of semi-finished products leaves the factory. They go through a pressure test stage. We will conduct a pressure test on each batch of raw materials, and the standard for the pressure test is twice the working pressure of each high-pressure hose, and it must withstand the pressure continuously for 1 minute. Only after the pressure test is passed will our product be put into use and reach the hands of customers. We reject all substandard products. This is also a core principle that our factory adheres to high-quality production. This is also our factory from 2011 to the present, a core confidence that we have adhered to for 15 years. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. To all the family members still lingering outside the live stream. To all the family members still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also struggling to find high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live stream. You must come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. The host is currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. If you are also looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, you must come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Our factory is fully engaged in both production and sales. Our factory is fully engaged in both production and sales. We don't have any middlemen. We don't have any middlemen for high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality. Our price is more reasonable. Our price is more reasonable. From the establishment of our factory to now, we have always been adhering to international quality, and we never cut corners. This is also our core bottom line to ensure high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses. Our core bottom line, whether it is from the raw materials or the control in our production process. We never cut corners, including the pressure test in our final process. We conduct a pressure test for each high-pressure rubber hose. We will conduct a pressure test on each high-pressure rubber hose. We not only do sampling inspections, but also ensure that every high-pressure rubber hose undergoes a pressure test. This is also the core factor that ensures high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses. We never cut corners, and we never will. If you want to inspect the factory and see the production site for yourself and visit, there is a small windmill icon for the live stream in the lower right corner. There is a small windmill icon for the live stream. You can directly click on the small windmill icon in our live stream, and the host will contact you later.
Everyone, all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream.
The host will be off live in 10 minutes. Everyone, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-glue tubes, be sure to contact the host. Be sure to contact the host.
Go ahead.
Which part is difficult to draw? All are fine.
Just now was also fine.
Wake me up when it's time.
10 more minutes.
10 more minutes, and I'm going to end the live stream. In 10 minutes, I will end the live stream. For those of you still hovering outside the live stream, for all of you who are lingering around outside the live stream, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to enter the host's live stream. This live stream will end in 10 minutes, and there are only 10 minutes left. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to visit the host's live stream. Be sure to follow the host. The host is currently located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. We are a source factory that produces high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Then I want to press 100 meters of hose. Hello. You want to press 100 meters of hose. We are the source factory of high-pressure rubber hose. The source factory, this friend ABC, you can click the little live windmill in the lower right corner of the host. The host will contact you after the live broadcast. We'll contact you. 100 meters. What's the specification? Is it a regular brand or a non-standard custom one? Well, my friend, there is a small yellow car in the lower right corner of our live host. You can click to leave your information because the host will be off live in 10 minutes. After going offline, I will give you a quote based on your specifications, models, and needs for high-pressure rubber hoses. And we can discuss further, all right? Okay. Where the host is now is a high-pressure rubber hose source factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. A source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. Our factory, which is specified as 19 in the flying bow, has 4 layers of wire braid, which is acceptable. Yes. Later, the host will contact you after the live stream ends. I will go to the warehouse first to check if we have this product in stock or not. Where are you from, friend? What are you doing? The host is currently standing in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. We ship to Xinjiang. Yes. We can ship to Xinjiang. Only 100 yuan.
Honey,
It's four-tiered. Four-tiered. Our four-tiered ones are 60 yuan each. 60 yuan each. A little over 100 meters. That works. We have poles every 60 meters. So if you don't need too many, we can send two. Two poles are 120 meters, right? Okay. Yes, that works. Please follow our live stream. Follow us. Click on the little yellow cart on your screen. Click on the little yellow cart. I will contact you after the live stream and give you an accurate quote. We still have 10 minutes left.
10 minutes.
I want the finished product.
You mean you want the connector assembly to be completed, right? We can do that. Yes, we can. Just let me know later the length of each one you need. The length? Yes, I understand. I got it. Do you have any specific requirements for the connector that you need to coordinate with me? Is it a standard connector or some other type? We can crimp the connector directly to make a finished product, which is feasible. Our factory doesn't have any middlemen. With the same quality, our price is more reasonable. The price is more reasonable. Later, the host will quote you our lowest price. And quote you our lowest price. We can assemble the entire component, get everything fully prepared. Get everything fully prepared.
Remember to click on the little windmill.
Click to leave your information, and the host will add you later and get in touch with you. The host will contact you. Everyone, all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream, all of you who are still hesitating. I am now at a high-pressure rubber hose source factory in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan, Hebei Province. This is the source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. There should be 10 pieces of 14-meter hoses. 10 pieces of 3-meter ones. 10 pieces of 2-meter ones. No problem. No problem. Okay.
Whoops. What's wrong?
What's wrong?
Resend.
Please resend.
How many minutes left?
Okay.
The last 10 minutes. There are only the last 10 minutes left. And I'm about to end the live stream. I'm about to end the live stream. Let me briefly explain it to you again here. I am currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. And our factory is a large integrated industry and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. We are a large integrated industry and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. We are all self-produced and self-sold. We don't have any middlemen for all high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality. Our price is more reasonable, and the price from our factory is more reasonable. We not only customize conventional brands, our factory has our own R&D workshop and R&D team, which can meet all your fitting needs. All of them, whether it's your non-standard customization, or your color requirements, or your working condition scenarios. We can all adapt to them. The high-pressure rubber hose of our factory can be fully adapted. Our factory enjoys a superior geographical location with convenient transportation. We are close to the main expressway, just close to the main expressway. All the products. We deliver nationwide, and the logistics are fast. The delivery time is super reliable. The products of our factory can fully adapt to all your needs.
Whether you are working at a temperature of 150 degrees
or minus 50 degrees, our high-pressure rubber hose will be more flexible. In high-temperature environments, it won't age or peel. In extremely cold weather, it won't harden or become stiff. Our hose is more flexible because we have already obtained a patent. We already have our own super soft hose, an ultra soft hose, which is also an achievement of our R&D team. This is our own independent formula, our own formula. And our factory has its own mixing workshop. Mixing workshop. We produce it ourselves. We use our own mixed rubber. We don't rely on long-term outsourcing from other people's mixing plants. The mixed rubber, because only the mixed rubber produced by ourselves, can be fine-tuned according to our specific properties, so as to ensure more stable quality of our high-pressure rubber hose. More stable quality. Nowadays, there are many small workshops on the market, and their quality is unstable, which is not only due to the instability of equipment accuracy, but also likely the mixed rubber of raw materials that they purchase externally for a long time. They cannot ensure that the mixed rubber can better meet the relevant requirements.
Right.
Therefore, our factory has been deeply cultivating in this industry for 15 years. Our raw materials, including our mixed rubber, are all produced by ourselves. We only purchase raw materials in bulk. And all the raw materials of our factory come from the top raw material manufacturers in the industry. They are delivered directly from them. Moreover, before each batch of raw materials enters the factory, we will conduct random inspections in batches, and all unqualified raw materials will be rejected by us. All of them are rejected because our factory knows that these raw materials are the most critical key to ensuring our quality stability, the most essential key. So, why our factory can achieve national-wide and even global-wide large volume customers long-term and large volume repeat purchases.
It is relying on our stable quality,
Stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. We believe you choose Sinopulse because it is reliable and stable. It is reliable and stable. Rest assured, our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory that not only produces rubber hoses, but also has a joint project. All the sheath joints are independently developed by our own engineering team. So here, we are a one-stop hydraulic factory with a one-stop hydraulic solution. This greatly saves your procurement time and costs.
It largely saves you time and costs.
For those who are still hovering outside the live stream, and are you looking for a high-quality source factory or want to visit the factory, be sure to click on the live stream and the small windmill in the lower right corner. To click on the small windmill in the lower right corner of the live stream to contact the host. The host will take everyone to provide you with a free quote. We also offer free technical support, including if you need it. If you want to visit our factory, we can also provide a free factory tour for you. A free one. Today's live stream host is about to end. The live stream soon, about to end. For all of you who are still worried about not being able to find high-quality original manufacturers of high-pressure rubber hoses, if you haven't found the original factory of high-pressure rubber hoses that can meet all your needs and adapt to all scenarios, this live stream hosted by the host, you must pay attention to it.
You must pay attention to the host's live stream.
Because the host will live stream every day, at the same time every day. The host will meet everyone here. And meet everyone, the host will take everyone to learn about our factory, including its scale, equipment, current situation, and other information. There is a small windmill in the lower right corner of the host's page. Be sure to contact the host through the small windmill function during the live broadcast. Did you get it? Okay. Today's live stream is coming to an end now. See you at the same time tomorrow. See you at the same time tomorrow. If you have any needs, be sure to contact the host through the small windmill function. The host's small windmill will contact you after the host ends the live broadcast. Okay. That's all for today's live broadcast. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Another quote came in. One every day is fine too.